Looking for the best bidirectional OBD2 scanner with advanced ECU coding capabilities in 2026? In this video, we'll compare the top scanners for professional diagnostics, active tests, module coding, and advanced vehicle troubleshooting. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a serious DIYer, these tools can save time and money. Stay tuned to find the right scanner for your needs, and remember, links in the description. The XTOOL D7W wireless bidirectional OBD2 scanner is designed for vehicle owners, do-it-yourself users, and smaller automotive workshops seeking advanced diagnostic capabilities. Running on Android 10.0 with a 7-inch display, the scanner combines comprehensive system diagnostics with wireless convenience. One of its strongest advantages is bidirectional testing. With more than 4,000 active tests, the D7W can command supported vehicle components and monitor their responses. This can help technicians test items such as cooling fans, fuel pumps, air conditioning clutches, horns, windows, and solenoids without immediately replacing parts. The scanner also provides advanced ECU coding and programming capabilities. Supported vehicles can benefit from ECU coding, parameter matching, and offline programming module installation functions. However, available functions can vary depending on the vehicle make, model, year, and specific control module. Another major benefit is its comprehensive maintenance coverage. More than 39 reset and relearn functions are included, covering services such as oil reset, electronic parking brake, battery registration, steering angle sensor, tire pressure monitoring, injector coding, throttle relearn, and anti-lock brake system bleeding. For everyday diagnostics, the D7W offers full system scanning, automatic vehicle identification, live data monitoring, code reading and clearing, and diagnostic reports. Its wireless design also provides greater freedom during testing. With 3 years of free updates and support for 22 languages, the XTOOL D7W is a versatile choice for users who want professional-level diagnostic features in a more accessible package. The MUCAR 892BT is a powerful diagnostic scanner designed for do-it-yourself users and automotive professionals who want advanced capabilities in a user-friendly package. Its 8-inch display, Android 10 operating system, 4 GB RAM, and 64 GB storage provide a responsive platform for daily diagnostic work. One of its biggest advantages is AI-assisted diagnostics. The scanner can analyze fault codes and provide troubleshooting guidance, while the integrated AI chatbot can offer additional assistance during diagnostic procedures. This can make complex fault finding easier, particularly for users who are less experienced. The 892BT also delivers bidirectional control and full system diagnostics. It supports more than 140 vehicle brands and thousands of models, with access to systems such as the engine, transmission, airbag, electronic parking brake, steering angle sensor, body control module, and tire pressure monitoring. Active tests allow users to command supported vehicle components, including lights, brakes, mirrors, and other actuators. Another highlight is ECU coding and service functionality. More than 35 service functions are included, covering common tasks such as oil resets, battery management, brake resets, steering angle calibration, injector-related functions, and other maintenance procedures. ECU coding can also help configure supported control modules and vehicle settings. Wireless Bluetooth connectivity adds convenience, while support for CAN FD and DOIP enables compatibility with newer vehicle communication technologies. Lifetime free updates are another strong advantage. FCA AutoAuth support is available for compatible vehicles, although an appropriate account and membership may be required. Overall, the MUCAR 892BT is a feature-rich scanner offering strong diagnostic coverage, convenient wireless operation, and advanced functions for serious automotive troubleshooting. The FOXWELL NT919BT is a versatile automotive diagnostic scanner designed for do-it-yourself users and professional technicians. Running on Android 10 with an 8-inch touchscreen, it combines broad vehicle coverage with advanced diagnostic functions in a practical handheld design. One major strength is bidirectional testing. With more than 3,000 active tests, The NT919BT can command supported vehicle components and verify their responses. Users can activate components such as radiator fans, fuel injectors, and anti-lock braking system pumps, helping identify problems that may not generate diagnostic trouble codes. The scanner also provides full system diagnostics across more than 140 vehicle brands. It can access systems including the engine, transmission, anti-lock braking system, airbag system, and other available modules. Live data can be displayed and graphed, making it easier to monitor sensors and verify repairs. Another useful feature is offline ECU coding. On supported vehicles, users can configure selected vehicle functions, match replacement modules, and adjust certain manufacturer settings without requiring an internet connection. Compatibility depends on the specific vehicle. The NT919BT includes more than 34 maintenance functions, covering oil resets, electronic parking brake service, anti-lock braking system bleeding, battery registration, and steering angle sensor calibration. Support for CAN-FD and DYP improves compatibility with newer vehicles. Lifetime free updates add long-term value, while FCA gateway access is available for compatible vehicles through paid registration. Overall, the FOXWELL NT919BT offers strong diagnostic coverage, advanced active testing, and professional-level features for serious automotive troubleshooting. The TOPDON 1 is a professional automotive diagnostic scanner designed for workshops and serious technicians who need advanced vehicle coverage. Running on Android 12 with a large 10.1-inch touchscreen, it provides a responsive interface and fast wireless communication through dual Wi-Fi connectivity. One of its strongest advantages is advanced diagnostics. The tool offers full system scanning, bi-directional controls, topology mapping, and more than 50 service functions. Technicians can perform procedures such as anti-lock braking system bleeding, diesel particulate filter regeneration, tire pressure monitoring system resets, throttle adaptation, and supported advanced driver assistance system calibration. The TOPDON 1 also stands out for ECU coding and programming. Its J2534 pass-through capability allows compatibility with supported original equipment manufacturer software, potentially expanding dealer-level programming options. Advanced coding coverage is available for several major brands, although functions vary by vehicle model and year. Another useful feature is intelligent troubleshooting. The TopFix AI assistant can analyze millions of fault codes and provide possible causes, symptoms, repair guidance, and wiring information. This can help technicians reduce diagnostic time and approach difficult faults more systematically. Support for CAN-FD and DOIP makes the scanner suitable for many newer vehicles. It also includes guided functions for Volkswagen and Audi, along with supported security gateway access for selected manufacturers. The first year of software updates is included. Continued updates require a paid renewal, while core diagnostic and bi-directional functions remain available without an active subscription. Overall, the TOPDON 1 is a capable professional scanner for workshops seeking broad diagnostics, programming, and service functionality. The TOPDON Phoenix Plus 2 is a professional automotive diagnostic scanner designed for technicians and workshops that need advanced testing, coding, and programming capabilities. Its 10.1-inch touchscreen, Android 10 operating system, dual-band Wi-Fi, and large 12,600 mAh battery provide a practical platform for extended diagnostic sessions. One of its biggest strengths is bi-directional control. With more than 3,000 active test functions, the scanner can command supported actuators and components directly. This allows technicians to test systems such as cooling, braking, windows, sensors, and emissions components, helping identify faults more efficiently. The Phoenix Plus 2 also delivers advanced ECU coding and programming. It supports online coding for several major manufacturers and offline programming for selected Ford, Mazda, Vauxhall, and Opel vehicles. Programmable module installation, variant coding, and selected hidden functions can help with module replacement and vehicle configuration. Another highlight is comprehensive diagnostics. AutoVIN and AutoScan can identify the vehicle and scan available electronic control units, while topology mapping provides a visual representation of module communication. The scanner supports more than 42 maintenance services, including oil reset, electronic parking brake, battery management, steering angle calibration, tire pressure monitoring system functions, and anti-lock braking system bleeding. Support for OBD1 and OBD2 protocols, CAN-FD, FCA AutoAuth, and selected security gateway systems expands compatibility across many vehicles. The scanner also offers VAG guided diagnostics, artificial intelligence-assisted troubleshooting, remote diagnostics, and support for 25 languages. With 2 years of free updates and extensive professional functions, the TOPDON Phoenix Plus 2 is a strong choice for workshops seeking advanced diagnostic and programming capabilities. And that wraps up our list of the best bidirectional OBD2 scanners with ECU coding for 2026. Each option offers powerful diagnostic features, but the right choice depends on your vehicle, budget, and specific needs. Hopefully this comparison helped you find the perfect scanner. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more automotive tech reviews and buying guides.